Let me show you how to place an image inside an image frame in Canva. You head to Elements, there is a special group called Frames when we can put images inside those different shapes. So select the shape you like by clicking on it and then position on your page. You can scale it up and down, and then it's time to put the image in. If you open the short menu, actually you cannot see the command for putting the image in. What you need to do is to simply drag and drop that image. So let's say you uploaded photo or selected photo from the Elements group, and now you are ready to just grab the image and drag it on the shape. Then the image will be clipped inside that shape. How can we take the image out? Click three dots in the pop-up menu. There will be option to detach image. Now the image is out. Again, we can grab a picture and drag it in. It will be cropped in that special shape called a picture frame. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.